box like a window standing side by side. Can you make a square? Draw it in the air with four straight lines. You're almost there. Shapes, shapes, all around. Let's learn the shapes, it's so much fun. Shapes, shapes, make a sound. Stomp your feet, everyone. Triangles pointy with three sides in all. Like a mountain, like a hat, big or small. Can you make a triangle? Point it to the sky. Three straight lines, give it a try. Shapes, shapes, all around. Let's learn the shapes, it's so much fun. Shapes, shapes, make a sound. Jump up high, everyone. Squares are cool with four equal sides. Like a box, like a window standing side by side. Jump up high, everyone. Rectangles long with four sides, it's true. Opposite sides equal like a door you walk through. Can you make a rectangle? Draw it nice and wide. Too long, too short, side by side. Shapes, shapes, all around. Let's learn the shapes, it's so much fun. Shapes, shapes, make a sound. Wiggle around, everyone. Hexagons have six sides like a honeycomb. Six straight lines, let's count them at home. Can you make a hexagon? Six sides to show. Draw it in the air, watch it grow. Shapes, shapes, all around. Let's learn the shapes, it's so much fun. Shapes, shapes, make a sound. Wave your hands, everyone. Ovals are stretched like a circle, but long like an egg, like a balloon. Let's sing our song. Can you make an oval? Draw it long and wide like a big zero, yeah. Shapes are everywhere, look and you will see. In the world around us, shapes are wild and free. Let's find shapes in everything we do. Shapes are fun for me and you.